At may option kang hindi pumunta o hindi makinig via Zoom or in person, but you show up because you take the opportunity seriously. Work from home, pero today, nasa 4Ecom tayo. Pagpasok mo ng office, may coffee, may food, may community pantry, lahat yon libre. May friends, may celebration, may mga taong makakausap ka na somehow naiintindihan din kung nasaan ka sa karir mo. At hindi naman buong araw, half day lang. Actually, hindi nga half day. Around 2 to 3 hours lang talaga yung serious learning part. And then the rest, kwento, tawanan, picturan, kain, and celebrating other people's win. And ito siguro yung hindi ko alam before I became a financial advisor. Hindi ka lang pala pumapasok dito para kumita. You also get access to rooms like this. You meet people, you build connections, you hear stories, and you learn things na normally baka babayaran mo pa yan sa labas. You're building yourself. That's actually what happened to me. I started as a part-time financial advisor while working as an automation QA engineer. Part-time yung title, yes, pero galawang full-time. Yes, pwede siyang sabay. Pwede kang employee, pwedeng business owner ka, pwede kang full-time mom or dad while being a financial advisor. So, ano lang yung kailangan mo? Time management and commitment. Also, willingness to show up even on days when you don't feel like showing up. Kasi hindi naman talaga laging motivation yung magdadala sa'yo. Minsan, disiplina talaga. And today was also extra special because we celebrated the birthday of our branch manager, BMJV Badile. Plus, perfect combo pa kasi yung speaker namin, si Francis Kong. And wala akong binayaran para makinig sa kanya. Kaya minsan naiisip ko, without this side of my life, parang kulang. Well, hindi pala parang, kulang talaga. Because this work gives me another kind of challenge, another kind of growth. So, kung matagal mo nang iniisip na magkaroon ng side hustle, pero natatakot ka dahil baka hindi mo kayanin together with your current work, maybe the better question is not, what if I fail? Maybe ask yourself, what if kaya ko pala? And what if one decision to try becomes the reason you meet a completely different version of yourself?